Today, I'm going to show you how to install these Billie bars on a 3rd gen Tacoma. Also, I'm going to show you how we install these Pelican boxes. Stick around. This rack system is easy to install. We're going to show you how to do it. It's a very modular system and it has a lot of flexibility for installing different things. The 3rd modification for the Tacoma, we have the rock sliders on, we have the 3-inch lift and tires on, and now we're going to install Billie bars. What are Billie bars? Well, it's a very simple bed rack system made for pickup trucks. 4 brackets, 2 on each side of the bed, the 2 crossbars. We did opt for the quick release thumb screws and all the mounting hardware. We have these brackets which will slide into the T-rail here on the inside of the Tacoma bed. Before we do that, let's push in and remove this end cap. So it's a push and pull out, just like that. And then these will slide in. Before we slide these in, we have to put in the carriage bolts. There's our carriage bolt. And then our little T-bracket, and then this will go into the inside of the bed. So we'll put 4 on each side. Each bracket, we'll get 2 of these to secure them. Washer and nut. We have one side brackets exactly where we want them, so I'll measure these up and then we'll do the same spacing on the other side. We're going to put the quick release thumb screws in. These are an option, they don't come with the kit. So we opted to have this so we can take the bars off quickly if we need to. Now that we have the Billie bars installed on the Tacoma, we're going to mount some storage boxes up there. We have 2 Pelican boxes, and I'm going to show you how I prepare them before we do the mounting on them. We are getting ready to take this Tacoma cross country, and we need a little extra storage. These Pelican boxes come with wheels that are here, and they have these brackets that come down into a pull handle. So we're going to remove these to make for a flatter surface mount. This is one box that I already took those wheels and brackets off. So you can see it has a little bit of a flatter surface to mount on top of the Billie bars. This is done by removing these special bolts, and they're all here down the line. Once you remove these, this comes off, and then we can mount these up. These are square bolt heads, so make sure you have the right tool if you're going to do this. This is the hardware we're going to use to mount those Pelican boxes on the Billie bars. There's going to be 8 of each, and we have the T-nut slots. These are M8 1.25s, and the accompanying turn screws. I'll put links to descriptions for everything we use today down below. Now we have a nice flat surface area to mount on the Billie bars. I placed the boxes up on top of the crossbars there. This is exactly where I want them. Also, I have the crossbars spaced according to where I want them. So now it's time to measure up to see where I'm going to put those holes in the bottom of the Pelican box. After placing the Pelican boxes where I wanted them on the crossbars, I took some measurements of where I wanted to put the holes, and then I sketched it out to make both boxes consistent. Now we're going to measure up inside the box and then drill these holes. The holes are drilled in the box. I put the T-nut slot nuts in, so we have 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Now I'm just going to measure them up and put them in the correct place. It's not going to be 100%. It'll be close though. And then through the holes in the bottom of the Pelican box, I can take a screwdriver and kind of maneuver the T-nuts exactly where I want them. But I'll get them real close. Washers are on. I have lock washer and then a larger washer. Normally I would take a piece of metal stock like I did in the 4Runner, and I'd line it over the 2 holes, and that would clamp it down. However, this is a temporary storage solution for when Joe drives cross country. So I'm okay with this right now. He's gonna remove it when he gets back to New Jersey. Also, I would use either a rubber washer or silicone them to make them waterproof. But like I said, it's a short trip across the country for him. When he gets back to Jersey, they'll be removed, so I'm not worried about that either. Now on the 4Runner, I did all those things because those are up there all the time. We have the Billie bars installed as well as the Pelican boxes. This is the final product. We left a gap between the boxes for 2 reasons. Number 1 is we wanted the box close to the edge so we can get things in and out quickly and not having to reach over. Plus, going cross country, we're going to be staying in some different places, and Joe may want to remove the boxes. So they have the thumb screws inside. We can quickly do that and remove them if we need to. Billie bars look great. They're super solid, very happy with that product. And we're looking into getting more accessories, potentially a molly panel or something for here, or roto packs to carry extra gas and water. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it if you do. And we will see you on the next one.